First reading, 1 Kings chapter 17 verse 1 to 6. And Elias the Thespite of the inhabitants of Galad said to Achab, As the Lord liveth, the God of Israel, in whose sight I stand, there shall not be dew nor rain these years, but according to the words of my mouth. And the word of the Lord came to him, saying, Get thee hence, and go towards the east, and hide thyself by the torrent of Kerith, which is over against the Jordan. And there thou shalt drink of the torrent, and I have commanded the ravens to feed thee there. So he went, and did according to the word of the Lord, and going, he dwelt by the torrent Kerith, which is over against the Jordan. And the ravens brought him bread and flesh in the morning, and bread and flesh in the evening, and he drank of Tile torrent. Psalms chapter 121 verse 1 to 8. I have lifted up my eyes to the mountains, from whence help shall come to me. My help is from the Lord, who made heaven and earth. May he not suffer thy foot to be moved, neither let him slumber that keepeth thee. Behold, he shall neither slumber nor sleep, that keepeth Israel. The Lord is thy keeper, the Lord is thy protection upon thy right hand. The sun shall not burn thee by day, nor the moon by night. The Lord keepeth thee from all evil, may the Lord keep thy soul. May the Lord keep thy going in and thy going out, from henceforth now and forever. Gospel, Matthew chapter 5 verse 1 to 12. And seeing the multitudes, he went up into a mountain, and when he was set down, his disciples came unto him. And opening his mouth, he taught them, saying, Blessed are the poor in spirit, for theirs is the kingdom of heaven. Blessed are the meek, for they shall possess the land. Blessed are they that mourn, for they shall be comforted. Blessed are they that hunger and thirst after justice, for they shall have their fill. Blessed are the merciful, for they shall obtain mercy. Blessed are the clean of heart, for they shall see God. Blessed are the peacemakers, for they shall be called children of God. Blessed are they that suffer persecution for justice' sake, for theirs is the kingdom of heaven. Blessed are ye when they shall revile you, and persecute you, and speak all that is evil against you, untruly, for my sake. Be glad and rejoice, for your reward is very great in heaven. For so they persecuted the prophets that were before you.